Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study about the present perfect tense, translation sentences, then the active voice passive voice conversion. Okay. First of all, we will learn about the present perfect tense active voice translation sentences. Okay. First of all, for learning present perfect tense, we have to learn about the structure of the sentence. And what is that structure? For affirmative tense, it has a structure of subject, has, have, third formal verb plus object. Okay, let's see the example. The clock has struck 4. Okay, then negative structure, subject, has, have, not, third formal verb and object. Must remember this thing while writing the negative sentence. You have to put the not, the element of not after has, have. Okay, then you have to put the third formal verb. How it would be like, he has not trusted his wife. He has not trusted. Okay. An interrogative form, has, have would come in the starting, then subject, third formal verb, then object. Have you carried the day? Now, Urdu ki pehchan, because you have to do the sentences in Urdu. चुका है, चुके हैं, चुका हूँ, कर दिया, कर दिए, कर लिया. ओके, चुका चुकी के अलावा ये वाली वर्ड्स, इस किस्म के वर्ड्स हो, इनके ऊपर अगर सेंटेंस ख़त्म हो रहा है तो वो भी हमारे कौन से सेंटेंसेस होते हैं? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एक्टिव वॉइस होते हैं. ओके, अब देखें इस एग्जांपल में क्या है. क्लॉक ने 4 बजा दिए हैं. द क्लॉक स्ट्रक 4. उम्मीदवार पर्चा हल कर चुके हैं. द कैंडिडेट्स हैव सॉल्व्ड द पेपर. क्या तुम बाजी जीत चुके हो? हैव यू कैरीड द डे? Okay, and now these are the translation sentences for your examples. टीमें मैच जीत चुकी हैं. Match have been the teams have played the match. Board ने नतीजे का ऐलान कर दिया है. The board has declared the result. चौकीदार अपना फ़र्ज अदा नहीं कर चुका. The watchman has not done his duty. हमारी फ़ौज ने पसपाई इख्तियार नहीं की. Our army has not retreated. वो छत से कैसे गिरा? How has he fallen from the roof? Students, these sentences I have taken from your books. Okay, you have to write these sentences as well on your notebook. You have to note them down. Now this is for your practice. मेहमान खुसूसी इनाम तकसीम कर चुका है. प्रिंसिपल ने तलबा को असनाद दे दी हैं. चोर घर में नकब लगा चुके हैं. नसीमा ने इम्तिहान पास कर लिया है. फ़ौज ने किला पर कब्ज़ा कर लिया है. उन्होंने गुमशुदा बच्चे की तलाश नहीं की. मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझे चाय नहीं दी. क्या तुम्हारे साथी भीग चुके हैं? So student, you have to do these sentences as well on your notebooks. These are some important sentences that I have written over here. But the main practice work would be this one. I do practice from grammar book, page number 81 to 83. This is your pages from your grammar book. So you have to do these exercises on your notebook. Then move towards the present perfect tense passive voice. Previously we have studied about the present perfect tense active voices. We were learning about the present perfect active voices. Now we are going to learn about the present perfect passive voice. These are the, first of all, the translation sentences. Okay, what would be the structure of passive voice? Subject, has, have, been, third formal verb. Now what is the difference between the active voice and the passive voice? We all know that in the passive voice we used to have the object in starting and subject in ending. But here what we would do that here, of course, this subject is object. As we are writing the perfect passive tense, we always have in starting the object. So here this is an object. Consider it as an object. But why we have written subject over here? Just because we used to have the sentence structure that is subject, verb and object. Okay, we always used to have this structure. So that's why if we're writing it in a sentence form, we have to put subject, we have to write subject. Okay, subject, has, have. What would be the difference if we are moving from active to passive? The difference would be has, have would become along with been. Okay, subject, has, have, been. third form of verb, which is a symbol of passive sentences. We all know that in every passive sentence we used to have third form of verb. So this is not the thing that you consider. Okay, moving forward, the lamp has been lighted. And now you would ask that, teacher, there is no object over here. Yes, of course, there would be no object over here. Okay, there would be especially we would not have object over here. This sentence would be end over. Sub sentence would be end in the third form of verb. Okay, and for the negative, subject has, have, not, been, third form of verb. The lamp has not been lighted. Put the not in between has and been. Do not put not after the been. Okay, do not put not after the been. It would be a wrong sentence. Always put not after the has and before the been. In interrogative, has, have, subject, been, third form of verb. Has the lamp lighted? Look at the उर्दू की पहचान. जा चुके हैं, जा चुका है, जा चुका हूँ. लैम्प रोशन नहीं किए जा चुके हैं. The lamp has not lighted. क्या छुट्टी का ऐलान नहीं किया जा चुका है? Has holidays not been announced? वो हिरासत में नहीं लिया जा चुका है. He has not been taken to custody. Okay, this is for your practice work. मुझे हमीद का अता पता नहीं बताया गया. क्या तमाम तलबा को ग्रेड दिया जा चुका है? क्या उसके कपड़े फाड़ दिए गए हैं? क्या तमाम गवाहों को बुलाया जा चुका है? बच्चे को सुलाया नहीं जा चुका है? गरीबों को कहाँ खाना खिलाया गया? This is for your practice work. These are the pages from your... Okay, I haven't written. Okay, I'll mention it. Okay, just remember this thing here. The page number would be 94. Okay, here I haven't mentioned page number 94, but just keep remember the page number would be 94. Okay, move towards the conversion. Active to passive. The sentences in which helping verb has, have is followed by the third form of verb is active voice in present perfect tense. Besides all above changes, has, have, been is used followed by third form of verb make passive voice. Okay, what would happen? Present sentences के अंदर हमारे पास हमेशा has, have यूज़ होता है, उसमें थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब भी यूज़ होती है. तो कन्वर्जन में हम क्या करेंगे, क्योंकि कन्वर्जन के अंदर भी तो हमारे पास हैज़, हैव ही यूज़ होता है और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ही यूज़ होती है. तो फिर हम लोग क्या ऐसा चेंज करेंगे, हम लोग क्या यूज़ करेंगे हैज़, हैव के साथ बीन. ठीक है, जो कि पैसिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अब इसकी एग्जांपल देखेंगे तो आपको समझ आएगी. कन्वर्ट सब्जेक्ट इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इनटू सब्जेक्ट. वही हमारे पास ये 5 मेजर रूल्स जो हम लोगों ने लर्न किए हुए हैं, इनको कभी नहीं भूलना. यही मेजर रूल्स हमेशा यूज़ होते रहेंगे. ओनली थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज़ यूज इन पैसिव वॉइस. यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट द पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज और ऑब्जेक्टिव केसेस यूज्ड. बाय इज रिमूव्ड. By is used before the object. This is an example. We have taken test. Tests have been taken by us. See, the test object converted into subject. He moved towards the object, and in the objective case, has been taken by us. She has beaten the dog. The dog has beaten by her. Examples. You have not brought a car. A car has not been brought by you. Have we taken the test? Have the test been taken by us? Who has taken the test? By whom the test been taken? Okay, I hope you have got the concept. Okay, now for the conversion, passive to active voice. These four major rules that we have learned previously. Subject is placed before the verb and object. Form of verb used according to the tense. Subjective case of the subject is used when the object is placed after the verb. The objective case is used. By is removed. They move towards the example. A kite has been flown by me. This is the passive sentence, and now we have to convert it into active. So what we would do? We would do that we would replace the subject and object, their positions. Me would be converted into I have removed the bin. I have flown because we always use imperfect sentences third form of verb. I have flown a kite. Have the poor been helped by them? Have they helped the poor? Okay, thank you. That's all for today.